Hello my little chickadees. Today we are going to be making some vanilla pudding. So first off, for our ingredients, we have 1 1/3 cup of sugar, 1 cup of flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 6 cups of milk and 6 egg yolks, and 4 teaspoons of vanilla extract. This recipe is very simple, and so I hope y'all enjoy this. We will actually just start off by adding in our flour, sugar, and our salt. And then we're just gonna need to mix this up a bit. Easy like that. And then we are gonna put in the 3 cups of milk and the 3 egg yolks. And then we're gonna mix this thoroughly. So I've been mixing this for a while and it's been doing really well. But now I'm actually gonna add in 3 more cups of milk and then those 3 more egg yolks. Continue to mix this and then just add in our vanilla extract. Then our recipe will be absolutely complete. You can either leave this warm or you can refrigerate for an hour, enjoy it later. But I hope y'all liked this very simple recipe.
Kitchen pretty. 10 out of 10. It tastes like the pudding, like the Jello pudding.
I give it a 10 out of 10.
It tastes like the Jello
I give
pudding.
it a 9 out of 10.
10 out of 10. I give it 10 out of 10. It's good. It's thick, it's creamy, and it has a really good flavor. It's good. I like it. It's not too sweet. And it's like really easy.
It's actually not that bad. It's really good. Yeah. Doesn't it taste like almost cake? It's like cake, but it's